6 million years ago, Earth was a very different world. The continents were familiar, yet alien.
North America was split by a shallow inland sea. Dense forests stretched to the horizon.
Towering dinosaurs ruled every ecosystem, on land, in the air, and in the oceans.
For over 160 million years, dinosaurs had survived volcanic eruptions, shifting climates, rising seas,
and falling temperatures. They were dominant, diverse, and seemingly unstoppable.
But on one ordinary day, in a matter of hours,
their reign would come to an abrupt and catastrophic end.
the sun rose that morning, just as it had for millions of years.
Herds of triceratops moved slowly through fern-covered plains.
Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predator of its time, stalked prey near riverbanks. In the skies above, pterosaurs soared on warm air currents.
Along the coasts, massive marine reptiles hunted beneath the waves. Nothing in the natural rhythms of that day. Warned of the extinction that was about to unfold.
Far beyond Earth, deep in space, a mountain-sized asteroid was already on a collision course
with the planet. Roughly 10 to 15 kilometers wide. Traveling at more than 20 kilometers per second. It had been drifting through the solar system for millions of years.
On this day, gravity sealed its fate and Earth's.
Asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere above what is now the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico.
In seconds, friction heated its surface to temperatures hotter than the sun.
The sky ignited. A blinding fireball streaked across the heavens.
Brighter than 1,000 suns. Any creature that looked up would have seen the sky tear itself apart.
Then came the impact.
The asteroid slammed into Earth with a force equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Detonating at once, the ground vaporized instantly.
Solid rock behaved like liquid. A crater nearly 180 kilometers wide
Was carved into the planet in seconds, the Chicxulub crater.
Everything within hundreds of kilometers was annihilated instantly.
Shock waves rippled outward faster than the speed of sound, triggering massive earthquakes.
across the globe. The ground shook violently.
As far away as what is now North America, South America, and Asia.
Mountains collapsed. Landslides buried entire ecosystems.
In the oceans, the impact generated tsunamis thousands of meters high. Walls of water raced across coastlines, drowning everything in their path.
But the true devastation
had only just begun.
Trillions of tons of debris were blasted into the atmosphere.
Molten rock rained back down across the planet, superheating the air.
As these glowing fragments re-entered the atmosphere, they ignited global firestorms.
Forests across continents burst into flames simultaneously. The night sky glowed red as Earth itself seemed to burn.
For dinosaurs that survived the initial impact, the world quickly became a nightmare.
Temperatures soared. Breathing became difficult as ash and smoke filled the air. Rivers boiled. Plants withered and died. Within hours, entire food chains began to collapse.
Then came the darkness.
Fine dust, soot, and sulfur particles filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight.
Within days, Earth was plunged into near-total darkness. Photosynthesis stopped.
Plants died on a massive scale. Herbivores starved first.
Disrupting marine ecosystems from the bottom up.
This period became known as the Impact Winter.
Global temperatures dropped rapidly. What had been a warm, greenhouse world
Turned cold and hostile. Acid rain fell from the sky as sulfur gases
Mixed with atmospheric moisture, poisoning soils, and freshwater systems.
For years, sunlight struggled to reach the surface. The once thriving world of the dinosaurs became silent. One by one, species vanished. In the shadows of this catastrophe, small mammals, once insignificant creatures hiding in burrows,